Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Lee Man Ssoo updated. Start by salting napa cabbage for 2 hours, then rinse and drain thoroughly before assembling ingredients. Prepare the paste by blending Korean chili flakes with fish sauce, minced garlic, grated ginger, and a touch of sugar. Add julienned carrots and daikon, then massage the paste into each cabbage leaf evenly. Pack tightly into jars and allow fermentation at cool room temperature for several days. Combine Korean chili flakes and fish sauce first to build a savory base, then add garlic, ginger, and sugar for depth. Pulse in a blender until you reach a coarse paste with visible texture from the vegetables. Taste a small pinch and adjust saltiness or heat with more fish sauce or chili flakes. Keep the paste bright and slightly wet so it clings to the cabbage leaves when massaging each layer thoroughly and evenly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and prevent spills when storing kimchi or lunches. They make transporting fermented foods simple and surprisingly satisfying, plus they stack neatly in the fridge. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab one if you love convenience. Now let's get back to the video. When packing, press the cabbage firmly to expel air and to keep the brine covering the ingredients for even fermentation. Leave about 1 inch of headspace in each jar and seal loosely for the first day to release gases. Taste daily after day 3 to check acidity and texture. Move to the refrigerator when you like the balance of sourness and crunch. Proper cold storage will preserve flavor and slow further fermentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.